Car battery chargers in 2026 are essential for fast charging, battery maintenance, emergency jumpstarts, and prolonging battery lifespans safely. Today's video is about top 5 best car battery chargers 2026 that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at eFast Smart Car Battery Charger. The 25A Rapid Battery Charger is a game changer for vehicle owners who demand speed, versatility, and reliability. Delivering a robust 25A output for 12V batteries and 15A for 24V batteries, it charges larger vehicles like trucks, SUVs, boats, and RVs far faster than standard maintainers. Its universal compatibility with lead-acid, AGM, GL, SLA, flooded, EFB, and LiFePO4 batteries makes it ideal for almost any setup, while an intelligent chip automatically detects 12V or 24V systems. With 5 adjustable current levels, 2A, 8A, 20A, 25A, auto, this charger adapts to small batteries like motorcycles or lawn mowers, or switches to rapid charging for larger 75 or 400Ah batteries. The dedicated booster mode jumpstarts dead 12V batteries with a high current surge, making it an essential emergency tool. Advanced 8-stage charging includes a pulse repair mode to rejuvenate old or sulfated batteries, and all-weather protection adjusts for extreme heat or cold. Built with a durable aluminum shell and active cooling fan, it prevents overheating while safeguarding against reverse polarity, sparks, short circuits, and overcharging. Reliable, fast, and smart, this charger is a must-have for any garage. Now our second product is Yunhan Automotive Battery Maintainer for Car. The Yunhan 15A Smart Battery Charger is a versatile and reliable solution for maintaining and rejuvenating a wide range of 12V and 24V batteries. Compatible with lead-acid, LiFePO4, AGM, GL, SLA, and flooded deep-cycle batteries, it works seamlessly with cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, lawnmowers, boats, and marine equipment. Its fully automatic 9-stage charging intelligently detects battery type and adjusts output for optimal performance. Advanced pulse repair technology combats sulfation and acid stratification, helping restore battery efficiency and extend lifespan. While it cannot revive completely dead batteries, it significantly strengthens starts and improves long-term reliability. Safety is paramount. Built-in protections prevent reverse polarity, short circuits, overcharging, overheating, overvoltage, and overcurrent, ensuring both the charger and batteries remain secure during operation. User-friendly features include one-touch operation and intelligent memory for hassle-free charging. The charger's temperature-adaptive float/trickle mode automatically adjusts to cold or hot environments, maintaining batteries safely over extended periods. With clear display indicators and practical safety guidelines, this charger is an essential garage tool for keeping vehicles powered, prolonging battery life, and ensuring dependable performance in every season. Our third product is Ionfi Battery Maintainer Desulfator. The 12V 10A Smart Battery Charger is an all-in-one solution for keeping your vehicles powered and batteries healthy. Compatible with LiFePO4, AGM, GL, EFB, VRLA, and flooded lead-acid batteries, it functions as a charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator, eliminating the need for multiple devices. Designed for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and lawn equipment, it provides high-efficiency 10A charging that is up to 65 faster than standard 6A chargers, covering batteries from 2A to 150Ah. Its 9-stage smart charging program optimizes battery health and remembers your last mode, ensuring seamless operation even after power outages. Automatic winter and summer modes adjust voltage based on ambient temperature, making it reliable in any climate. The intuitive LED touch display shows voltage, current, and charging status in real time. Advanced pulse repair and desulfation technology help restore battery performance and extend lifespan, while built-in protections guard against reverse polarity, sparks, overcharging, overvoltage, and short circuits. With dedicated trickle and TKL modes, this charger provides safe, worry-free maintenance for seasonal or idle vehicles, backed by 24-hour customer support. Now number 4, Nextpeak Trickle Battery Charger. The 12V 15A and 24V 8A Smart Battery Charger is a powerful, versatile solution for automotive, marine, and deep-cycle batteries. Compatible with LiFePO4 and all types of lead-acid batteries, including AGM, GL, SLA, and flooded, it delivers rapid 9-stage charging that's faster than typical 10A chargers. Ideal for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, lawnmowers, and boats, it's a must-have household tool, perfect for everyday use or as a practical gift. The upgraded 1.75A trickle charger (TKL) mode safely maintains batteries over long periods, keeping them fully charged during winter or extended storage. A large, bright LCD color screen displays charging status, voltage, current, temperature, charge percentage, and climate adaptive modes, making monitoring intuitive and convenient. The 8.9 feet charging cord adds extra usability for various setups. Safety and longevity are prioritized with smart temperature compensation, reverse polarity protection, cooling system, overcurrent, overcharge, and short-circuit safeguards. Advanced pulse repair technology combats sulfation and acid stratification, restoring battery performance and extending cycle life, though it cannot revive completely dead batteries. Reliable, high efficiency, and user-friendly, this charger is an essential tool for any garage or workshop. And our last choice is Sorfly Battery Maintainer Desulfator. The 30-amp 3-bank marine battery charger is a versatile and powerful solution for keeping 12V lead-acid and lithium-ion batteries fully charged. With 10A output per bank, it efficiently handles boat, starter, and deep-cycle batteries, and can even be used for car batteries. Each battery can be charged independently, or all three simultaneously, offering ultimate flexibility for a variety of charging needs. Featuring 3 intelligent charging modes, 12V SLA/AGM, 12V Li-ion, and 12V calcium, users can easily select the appropriate setting via the mode button. The innovative Force mode allows revival of dead batteries below 1V, while automatic repair and diagnostic functions monitor battery health, resolving overvoltage, damage, overheating, or reverse connection issues without manual intervention. Smart temperature-controlled charging adapts to ambient conditions, preventing overcharging in heat and undercharging in cold. Built for harsh marine environments, this charger is IP68 waterproof and rigorously tested to withstand moisture, ensuring reliable, long-lasting performance. Compact yet robust, it is a must-have tool for boat owners seeking safe, efficient, and intelligent battery management. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.